Are you tired of working hard for traffic but seeing no real income from it? The secret to building passive income online is simple. Create a lead magnet that works for you 24/7. In this video, I'll show you how to build one on Wix, just like a passive income king. First, identify a high-demand offer your audience craves. Maybe a free mini course, a valuable checklist, or an insider guide. Next, use Wix's